Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the JavaScript and JQuery tutorial by PH and Technology Private Limited. So let's just first go with the theory. Now what is a function? Function is actually what the action is about. Like whatever you are doing and it is functioning is all about what you have written in this particular code. So whenever a particular thing is reacting, it is all possible because of the function code you have written. Now how do we declare function? Function is declared using the keyword function itself. Isn't that easy to remember? So let's just say now I have written a function. In that I can write any code, be it changing a variable, adding two variables, giving an array, giving a string, anything can be done in there. All the things that we see, a slider, a hovering effect using JavaScript is all possible because of the function. Now next comes an event. What is an event? When we talk about event in a real life situation, it comes to a function kind of a thing or a particular activity going on, right? So that's how event plays on a website. Any kind of action that is going on with the user, by the user, is a event. Like if you go on a website, open the website, it's an event. If you click on a particular button, it's an event. So these all things are considered an event. Now as I said, an hovering effect, what it does, as soon as we take our mouse on a particular text, it gives some effect to us. Either it zoom outs or it zoom ins. So this particular effect is an event. And there are hundreds of events, as you can see on the screen, in the JavaScript. One of which is on click. And we are going to see a effect of this in this particular example. Now as you can see on the screen, this is a code in which I have added a button on which I have given, in which the on click here is an event. But my function here is phn. How is this particular code working? As you can see in the function I have given as document.write. This particular document.write has the functionality or has the rights to write on the HTML document. It can make changes and display a particular thing using this document.write. Now this particular hello, welcome to JavaScript by Technology, JavaScript and jQuery tutorial by PH and Technology is being displayed only when the button is clicked. As you can see, on click is giving an action. That means it's an event. And what's the event? Whenever the particular event is clicked or happens, it would go to the function. And what is the event's name? It is PH and JavaScript and jQuery tutorial. We'll just save it, and as soon as we open this particular file, you can see a button over here, and as we click it, the entire text goes as hello, welcome to JavaScript and jQuery tutorial by PH and Technology. So this is how function and event work together in hand. Now in the upcoming tutorial, we are going to see a lot of function and events with respect to our project, because every event and event cannot be learned by us. Because as we use it, it would go inside a man. So even if you find some kind of event, just go, and as we know the DOM functions as well, you can use the DOM attributes and apply it here. So till then, keep exploring and keep coding. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.